welcome back, Sin Squad. Emerald C here with a fragrance review for you for Gucci Guilty Elixir for the men. So this is actually from my husband's collection. This right here is the perfect woody leather amber warm spicy fragrance for men. Okay, it is super masculine, right? This one is perfect for the nighttime, or if we're thinking like fall and winter. It's very strong and a little bit goes a long way. The sillage for this, I want to say it fills that 6-foot bubble around your body. It definitely will fill up an area. Longevity of this fragrance, I love it, and I know my husband loves it too. This literally, this is like an internal fragrance. If you're looking for a fragrance that's going to last a long time, this elixir right here will definitely do the job. It is a very long lasting fragrance. I want to say it's anywhere between 12 plus hours. I remember when he tried it on in the store, and then he got another fragrance and he did one on each wrist. When we went home, one completely outlasted the other. So this one, because I think the other one was a Coach one, he ended up buying that, but then he had to go back for this because immediately the Coach smelled good. This one smelled good for a longer time. Now, I will say this before we go ahead and jump into the fragrance notes. When you first spray the fragrance, for me, what I'm definitely smelling is that warm, woody note, but I'm also smelling something that kind of smells a little bit like gasoline and latex. Yes, we're talking gasoline from out the pump that we fill our gas tank with, and like latex. I don't know what it is. It's like something in there that's giving that. After it dries down, it is a very warm, sexy, masculine scent. It's definitely giving date night, right? So the notes that we have in this fragrance, they start with orange blossom, followed by nutmeg and pimento seed. Now this right here, all three of those together smell amazing. I'm a huge advocate for orange blossom, but I feel like it's not seen a lot in masculine scents. This right here is one of the top notes that you're gonna get in that fragrance. Middle, secondary, heart notes, what we're gonna be smelling is orange blossom again, orris and osmanthus, which is more floral. So they will round out our middle notes, and the base notes, this is what you're going to smell the longest at dry down. We have vanilla, ambrofix, benzoin, and patchouli. So you're going to get that earthy patchouli, the creamy vanilla. You're going to get all of that at dry down. And again, this is more of an eternal fragrance that's going to last for quite some time. But what we're gonna do is my favorite part, jump into the reviews to see what other guys who own the fragrance think about it. First one up, I love this fragrance. I received it for Christmas and was pleasantly surprised by the performance. Lasts all day and night. It literally radiates on my skin. I get plenty of compliments when I wear this fragrance. All right, so he loves it. Let's see what else we have here. This is a very good fragrance. Although it's a designer, it has niche quality. I wore it for the first time today. I sprayed it at 9 a.m. It's 9:25 p.m. and I can still smell it. It goes well with my body chemistry. I will say that too. One, I know I've said it a million times, it lasts very long, which is prevalent in both reviews. Body chemistry is key. I feel like this smells good, so good on my husband. I tried spraying it on myself once and I'm like, okay, I can't fall in love with how it meshes with my body chemistry, but on him, it smells sexy. In a word, spellbinding, 10 out of 10. It gripped me from the moment I first smelled it in fall of 2023, but I had been purchasing so many other scents that I had to resist. Months went by and I never stopped thinking about this fragrance. It reaches out and grips anyone near you. Men, women, doesn't matter. The 2024 formulation is a tad lighter than the 2023 bottles, but it's still magical, worth every penny. Okay, so this is another one where he just like absolutely loves the fragrance. I'm gonna scroll and I'm gonna see if there's anyone who doesn't necessarily like the fragrance, because I wanna see the opposite. Wasn't that impressed the first few times I sprayed it, but it has grown on me. I would say it's a grown-up, sophisticated, higher quality jupe Homme. It has beast performance and would suit the older gentleman, 7 out of 10. Okay, I can see that. And yes, I do agree. I don't feel like this is like a youthful, I'm in my early 20s like fragrance. I don't feel like it's like that. This definitely gives off like gentleman, classy, wealthy. Like that's what we're smelling, like a sexy, wealthy man with this fragrance. If you like this fragrance review, or if you have the fragrance, I want to hear your feedback. Do you get compliments from the fragrance when you wear it? Are the ladies swooning over you? Are you thinking about buying it? Have you tried it in the store? Like, I want to hear everything. If you love this review, I welcome you to join the Emerald Sea Fragrance family. Like, comment, and subscribe. Seriously, stop what you're doing right now and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll be sure to incorporate more of our masculine, sexy fragrances within our fragrance lineup. Take care, Scent Squad. To the woo.